Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 9th. The founding of the European Union minus 1950. On May 9, 1950, French Foreign Minister Robert Schuman proposed a plan to unite European countries. His idea was to prevent future wars through economic cooperation. This plan later became the foundation of the European Union. That's why May 9th is celebrated as Europe Day. It reminds people of unity, peace, and working together. The EU has since grown into a powerful alliance. President Woodrow Wilson declares Mother's Day, 1914. On May 9, 1914, U.S. President Woodrow Wilson officially declared Mother's Day a national holiday. It was to be celebrated on the second Sunday of May every year. The idea came from a woman named Anna Jarvis who wanted to honor her mother. Soon, people all over the country were buying flowers and writing cards. It became a beloved tradition. Today, Mother's Day is celebrated in many countries around the world. The FDA approves the first birth control pill minus 1960. On May 9, 1960, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration FDA approved the first birth control pill. It was called Inovid. This tiny pill sparked a revolution in women's health and freedom. For the first time, women had more control over their bodies and futures. It led to big social changes in the 1960s and beyond. The pill became a symbol of choice and progress. Buffalo Bill's Wild West show opens in London, 1887. On May 9, 1887, Buffalo Bill's Wild West show opened in London, England. It featured cowboys, Native Americans, sharpshooters, and even live buffalo. Queen Victoria attended and was amazed by the performances. The show gave Europeans a thrilling view of the American West. It became a major hit and toured across Europe for years. The birth of James Matthew Barrie minus 1860. On May 9, 1860, James Matthew Barrie, the creator of Peter Pan, was born in Scotland. He later became a well-known author and playwright. His most famous work, Peter Pan, told the magical story of a boy who never grows up. The tale captured the hearts of children and adults alike. Barrie's imagination gave the world one of its most beloved fantasy characters. Today, Peter Pan remains a classic story enjoyed worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.